Lights blaze across the I/O 2026 stage as Sundar Pichai steps into the spotlight, the audience buzzing with anticipation. In a heartbeat, he unveils Gemini Spark, a 24/7 agentic AI assistant woven directly into Gmail. Gasps ripple through the crowd, signaling a leap beyond chatbots into always-on, proactive help for every user. Gemini Spark runs continuously in the background, learning your tone, priorities, and schedule without ever sleeping. It can draft replies, summarize threads, and suggest actions, all while respecting privacy and staying within Gmail's native interface. Think of it as a tireless co-pilot that anticipates your next move before you even type. The demo lights up as Pichai asks Gemini Spark to find the latest project update buried in a thread, then draft a concise reply, attach the relevant files, and propose a meeting time that fits everyone's calendar. Within seconds, the assistant executes each step, showcasing seamless, agentic workflow for users. With Gemini Spark, Google redefines email from a static inbox to a living workspace where AI handles routine chores, freeing you to focus on creativity and strategy. The always-on assistant hints at a future where productivity tools anticipate needs before we voice them, marking a bold step toward truly intelligent, agentic computing. An agentic assistant isn't just a chatbot that waits for prompts, it's an AI that can perceive goals, make decisions, and act on its own to fulfill them. Think of it as a digital agent that continuously reasons about what you need and initiates steps without being asked every time. Gemini Spark runs 24/7 in the background, never resetting between sessions. It retains a persistent memory of your email threads, calendar events, and preferences, so each interaction builds on the last, creating a seamless, context-aware experience that feels like a continually attentive partner. Unlike earlier Gemini models that relied on turn-based prompting, Gemini Spark blends the power of large language reasoning with agentic planning. It can initiate actions, like drafting, scheduling, or fetching data, without waiting for a new query, shifting from reactive to proactive assistance. At its core, Gemini Spark showcases three key abilities: advanced reasoning to understand complex requests, strategic planning to break goals into steps, and autonomous action to execute those steps, whether sorting your inbox, summarizing a thread, or booking a meeting, all while staying within Gmail's secure environment. Gemini Spark lives inside Gmail as an always-on AI layer, so you never leave your inbox to get help. It reads incoming mail, learns your priorities, and waits for your natural language commands, whether you type them or speak them, then carries out actions directly within the familiar Gmail interface. With a simple prompt like, "Summarize this thread," Gemini Spark scans the entire conversation, distills the core points into a concise bullet list, and highlights any pending actions or decisions. You can adjust the summary length or ask for a focus on specific topics, all without opening a separate window. When you hit reply, Gemini Spark suggests up to 3 smart replies that match your usual tone: formal, friendly, or concise, based on the email's context and your past responses. Pick one, edit if you wish, and insert it instantly. The AI keeps learning from your choices to improve future suggestions. Gemini Spark continuously scans your inbox for high-priority messages, like those from your manager or containing keywords such as urgent, and flags them with a special badge. At the same time, it detects actionable language, please review, deadline Friday, and creates corresponding tasks in Google Tasks, complete with due dates and reminders. You can tell Gemini Spark, "Find a time for a project kickoff with Alex and Sam next week," and it will check everyone's calendars, propose the best slots, and let you confirm with a single click. Once approved, Spark creates the calendar event, adds a meeting link, and updates the email thread, all without leaving Gmail. Picture a senior executive juggling dozens of meeting requests each day. Before Gemini Spark, they spent roughly 15 minutes manually checking calendars, drafting invites, and chasing responses. With Spark running in Gmail, it instantly proposes optimal times, sends invites, and tracks replies, cutting coordination time to under 3 minutes and boosting reply rates from 70 to 95%. Imagine a college student leading a group project across multiple email threads. Previously, They lost about 2 hours each week hunting for updates, reminding teammates, and summarizing discussions. Gemini Spark now auto-summarizes threads, highlights action items, and sends polite nudges, shrinking weekly effort to 20 minutes and lifting response rates from 60 to 90%. Think of a small business owner who must follow up on quotes and invoices daily. Before Gemini Spark, they dedicated roughly 30 minutes a day to manually tracking sent emails, writing reminders, and logging replies. Spark now monitors sent messages, triggers timely follow UPS, and logs responses automatically, reducing daily follow-up work to 5 minutes and raising reply rates from 25 to 45%. With Gemini Spark handling repetitive email tasks, early adopters report reclaiming up to 3 hours per week, time redirected toward strategic thinking and creative work. Teams see faster response cycles and fewer missed follow UPS, turning the inbox from a bottleneck into a productivity catalyst. As agents draft replies and suggest tone, users begin to rely on AI-crafted politeness, potentially standardizing communication styles across organizations. This raises questions about authenticity and the balance between efficiency and personal touch in professional correspondence. Google emphasizes on-device processing for sensitive content, ensuring raw emails never leave the user's phone or computer unless explicitly opted in. Transparent data usage controls let users view exactly what Spark accesses and adjust permissions, reinforcing trust while delivering AI assistance. Ready to experience a smarter inbox? Try the Gemini Spark preview today via the Google Workspace Labs portal and share your feedback. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the latest AI innovations shaping our work and privacy.